Hi everyone, this is Leah with Rusty Pearl Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful fall wreath. The supplies you will need are a wreath. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. Oh, sorry, that's my dog. And then some floral. I also got these at the Dollar Tree. The ones I got, I chose are the sunflowers. And then I got mums. And then these cattails. You'll also need some shoe polish, some gloves, disposable gloves, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks, scissors, wire cutters, and some ribbon. Of course, you can, choose any type of ribbon you want, and same thing with the flowers. Whichever colors you want, you can, customize it to your liking. Now, what I'm gonna do, what I ended up doing, I wanted to make the wreath a little more rustic, so that's what I did with the polish. The brown polish in here isn't very good. I already did a wreath, so let me just show you how that turned out. So here it's a little, I don't know if you can tell the difference. It's a little more rustic. What I ended up using was the black, because the brown looked a little orange. It was a little weird. See? So what I did is, and don't use this because it doesn't apply very well on the wreath. So I just put the gloves on, and then I just rubbed this on the wreath. Oops. There you go. And just rubbed it with the glove everywhere. And I let it dry overnight because it's a little greasy. And this morning it was fine. It's dried. It has a little funky smell, but it doesn't bother me. So I'm gonna show you how to decorate it. Again, you can decorate however you want. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna decorate mine. So what I did is I made a bow out of the ribbon and glued that down on the side of the wreath. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the flowers apart and just arrange them loosely. Once I like it, I'm gonna hot glue them down. And there you have it, guys, a fall wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I inspired you to make a wreath. And I'll talk to you guys later.